First, you have to come to gigabyte.com. This is officially website for download and driver. So you can see here the search key, and then guys type your model number. Z890 Gaming X557. Then click to product. Then click to support. Select your operating system, Windows 10 and 11. If you about not aware about your operating system, you can select all. So that means that driver will show. It will work both Windows 7 also and 10 also. Otherwise you can select, like I am using Windows 11 selected. Okay, and Windows 10 installation process also same. Okay, so no worry. Audio driver, click to download. You can see here it start downloading here, so wait few seconds. Then it is completed. Just single click, double click to open. Then click to yes. Now this is extract to your system. So it is completed. After that close it. Chipset. So this is first one. So it is done. So single click to open and double click to setup. Then click to yes. Close it. LAN driver. It is downloaded. LAN driver. Just single click and double click to this exe file. Then yes. When this is completed, and close it. VGA driver and click to download. Then guys, click it is downloaded VGA driver and double click. This is actually extracting two drivers to your system. Then click to yes. Then guys, click to yes VGA driver. Now this is installing. You can see by command and all graphic card driver. Then close it. It is done. Bluetooth driver. Scroll down and you can see here Bluetooth. Just click to download. It is completed. Single click to open. Double click to this setup. Then click to yes. Now you can see here the Bluetooth driver is installing. Okay, this is done. Then guys, Wi-Fi driver. Scroll down. You can see Wi-Fi drive. MediaTek, you also install this one. If you are getting some issues like installations time, so you have to install another version like that. You MediaTek installing and facing issues, so install this one. Okay, but try to install latest one. Okay, this is versions. After that, open this file and Realtek Wi-Fi driver. Then yes. Okay, then close it. USB driver. You can see IT USB driver. Click to download. It is completed. Just single click to open. And yes. IT USB. Okay. And it is done. Then close it.